Ever wondered how the magic of baking unfolds behind the scenes? Let's venture into the heart of Don Bosco GATENGA TSS, where the art of baking is not just taught, but lived. In the bustling kitchens of the Culinary Arts and Food and Beverages programs, students become artisans, handcrafting bread that adds a warm, comforting touch to every breakfast. This is not just a classroom, but a live bakery where learning is needed with passion and skill. No store-bought bread here, only the handcrafted products of dedicated students. Picture this, a bustling kitchen filled with the aroma of fresh bread. Here at Don Bosco GATENGA TSS, students are immersing themselves in the art of bread making. But it's not just about following recipes. These budding bakers are delving deep into the science behind the dough, understanding the delicate balance of ingredients, the crucial role of fermentation, and the magic of baking that transforms simple components into golden, crusty delights. Their commitment to their craft is exemplary. They knead, shape, and bake with a passion that is palpable, their hands deftly creating a symphony of textures and flavors. And all this knowledge and skill is channeled into the creation of delicious treats that are served fresh each morning, a testament to their dedication and prowess. These students are not just learning to make bread, they're understanding its essence, its soul. They are more than just bakers, they're artists crafting culinary masterpieces. What's even more impressive than their baking skills? Well, it's their strong grasp of the lessons and their fiery passion for the culinary arts. This passion, this dedication, it's kneaded right into the dough, baked into the delicious bread that greets you every morning. It's in every single crumb, every slice, every bite that bursts with freshness. Here at Don Bosco GATENGA TSS, we're not just teaching students to bake, we're helping them create culinary wonders.